Hey peeps, what's up? Munchie here, back with another video. And if you want to know how to find the battery cycle count on your Google Pixel 10, the Google Pixel 10 Pro, or the Google Pixel 10 Pro XL, all you have to do is go into settings, and from the settings page, you're going to go into About Phone. Now, once you're in the About Phone page, you're going to scroll down till you see the Android version, and right below that, you will have battery information, and that is what we are going to select. And bam, here it is. You can see that I am now being told the manufacture date, the date of first use, and the battery cycle count of this battery on my Google Pixel 10 Pro. And of course, they do give you a note that due to quality inspections before shipping, the cycle count may not be zero on first use. And there it is. That is how you find out the battery cycle count on your Google Pixel 10, the Google Pixel 10 Pro, or the Google Pixel 10 Pro XL.